back to the first part of the Santa Maria by Oprah. I'm going to start the ship. I'm going to start with the skeleton, but the very first thing that I do, also for someone who is beginning, is to find the parts that I need and mark them up, because it makes things a little bit easier, to say the least. So if you get this this part here with all the framework, and then you have the instructions. It says if you turn it the correct way to fit the picture that you have on the instructions, it says on each part what part number it is. So this one is A7, this one is A5, this little bit up here is F8, and then it's A8, and then it's F7, A6, and F5. This is what you do on all the parts. So I marked everything that I was supposed to, and what you need to do now is that you need to cut them off the board and clean them up, and then we can start the assembly of the skeleton. It's pretty simple. You just cut these little knobs that you can see from where the laser has stopped. And the last one here. And then you can just pop, there's another one here. There we go. Then it just pops out. This is just for the trash. And then you have the keel here. And then you need to clean it up from those little knobs there that you see. So everything's going to be nice and smooth. And for that, you can use the sander that you just received with your starter pack. So just sand it a little bit, and then you can feel that it's gone. So cut out all the pieces that you need, and just clean it up with giving it a sand. Welcome back. The pieces are cut, and this is all the frame that needed to get on go on the skeleton. As you saw, I put the numbers on it, and I cleaned all of them, so they're really nice and flush. So there's a picture here that shows where all the frames go. Starting with this is the A1, then A2. You pop it in the first slot. And what you need to do now is that you need to find something with a 90-degree angle. It could be anything, just as long as it's 90 degrees. Put it on the keel and make sure that it's aligned 90 degrees, so the frame is straight. And that's basically what you need to do all the way down. Follow the instructions, and they'll tell you what the frame is the next one, which is A3. It goes down there. And the same principle again. Aligning it with the keel so it's 100% in 90-degree angle. All the way down. So, see you in a bit. So welcome back. So I did the skeleton. I only need 2 pieces. I thought that I wanted to do it with you guys. So let's just get cracking. So this is the final piece at the stern. It goes here, and you can't really measure that from an angle. You can use a ruler if you have a ruler, like so. So that's it. And then we have this piece here. So normally I would use white glue for this, but for the sake of the video, I'm gonna use, I also used CA glue to get the frames on the spot quicker, to make them dry quicker. Now this is pretty important. This piece, you need to be sure that you put them in the right place. So this piece goes on the, if you go like this, goes on the bottom or on the top, but if you put it up straight, it's going to be on the bottom. So we're just going to slide this in, put that through the holes, like so, and there you have it. Like so. And that, ladies and gentlemen, that's the skeleton of the Ochre Santeria. It's a really nice kit. I'm so in love with it. Being used to building the larger scale ships, it's really nice to have a ship that you can actually hold in your hand and work with. I'm so looking forward to continuing the build with the ship. So this was the first video. This is time for me to say goodbye, and in the next video we're gonna tackle the deck and the planking of the deck. So thank you very much for tuning in and joining me. Thank you. Cheers. Bye.